Wave Lite smartwatch in active black. It is also available in deep blue and scarlet red and comes in a size of 26 into 4 into 1 centimeters and weighs 45 grams. The 1.69 inches square HD display comes with 550 nits brightness. The ultra lightweight and slim watch comes with 100 plus customizable watch faces. The IP68 rating makes it dust, sweat and splash resistant. The watch is powered with a lithium polymer battery. It features 24-hour heart rate monitor, SpO2 monitoring and sleep monitor. This watch supports music and camera alerts and also 10 sports modes, Google Fit and Apple Health apps.